When a friend told Omar Kane about working in healthcare, he knew it was his calling.
He always used to tell me stories, and I liked it. I fell in love.
Whether it's cleaning rooms or delivering meals, Omar is passionate about connecting with everyone he helps as a patient support associate here at Albany Medical Center in New York.
I'm always here for you guys. If you need anything, let me know.
In a hospital, sometimes being in environmental services or in that kind of a service field, it's very thankless. It sometimes can be a very thankless job.
But those actions left an impression on a patient's family who nominated Omar for the Medline Works of Heart program.
He became a group leader for his just ability to kind of rally his team, do what's right. He just kind of sets a really good example. It really is every single piece of a hospital and their employees that makes it work.
Learn more about why Omar was nominated for the Works of Heart program at newsroom.medline.com.